It's only the chairperson who will not be present.
Riri kamiti ya mbunge irathie na mbere kwariria mendekithia ma mutongoria wa bururi mutaratara-ini wa kigina uria uracokirie mbunge. Ambunge ni mathiete na mbere kuruta mawoni ngurani megie mutaratara ucio uria urongoreirie kurenga mahuthiro ma honge mwanya mwanya cia thirikari.
Would I be right to seek your indulgence as the chair to reorder the order papers so that we can deal with the matter of VAT straight away?
Mumbunge wa Machakos Town Victor Munyaka ndatigirirwo akiuria President Kenyatta kwaga kuhutia kigina kia ukuria wa icigo cia ubunge.
Ukiangalia project za county government na project za CDF, the CDF is feasible. Inaonekana. And that's why we are telling the president, CDF asinguze hata kama iko shida. CDF isunguzwe.
Akiaria rithukurini wa Mungala kaunti-ini ya Machakos, Munyaka augite kunyihanyihio kwa igoti ria maguta nginya gicunji kia 8% niguo kuhuthahuthia murigo wa igoti kuri Wanjiku na gikiro kinene.
Na sisi tulikuwa tunaongea na president wetu ili atuelezee what informed him to bring the VAT from 16 to 8% and not from 16 to 0%. It is because tuko na many projects ambazo zinaendelea nchi yetu Kenya. Tuko na free secondary school ambayo serikali ina support. Tuko na the 4 agendas: housing, agriculture, healthcare na manufacturing, which need capital and which need enough funds.
Mĩario ya Munyaka yukite riri mbunge tanyitwo gukahura kura muthenya wa rucio kuregana kana gwitikaniria na mendekithia ma president yarikia kwariria riboti iria tanyitwo kuneanwo muthi ni muikariri giti wa kamiti ya mbunge igie budget.
Appear before your committee.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩta Kamau wa Mwangi.